Good afternoon, traders. Joseph here from Eightcap. So welcome to part 2 of Monday's Outlook video. So this video is going to concentrate on the economic data that's coming out during this week, and we are using the Eightcap economic calendar that's found inside the client portal. It's available to all traders to use. So we're just going to concentrate on the high impact news that's coming out, and we're going to start with Wednesday, as there's nothing really worth note coming out Monday or Tuesday. So we have the PPI coming out from the US, and we have harmonized index of consumer prices coming out of Germany as well. I think the PPI is obviously going to be the one to watch. It's part of the inflationary data, and that continues to be pretty important at this current period and cycle in the market. So moving on to Thursday, we have a pretty decent day coming out on Thursday. Probably it's the busiest day for the week, I'd say. And we start with the FOMC meeting minutes, and then we move on to US CPI. So we have the core CPI month on month, the CPI month on month, and the CPI year on year. So the year on year, looking for a slight decrease, 3.6. The core CPI, which has probably been the one that has been causing issues, probably the most issues previously in terms of refusing to budge, that's looking to come in flat at 0.3, and looking for month-on-month CPI to come in at 0.3%, so below the 0.6% we saw last time. So I think Thursday's really going to be the key day, and I think there's going to be a lot of interest on that data, and it's continued to feed into comments we see from the Fed, any comments as well from the FOMC meeting minutes, and then just the actual how the Fed are viewing CPI, and then how is CPI going to be how is CPI going to come out this month, and then will we see much more of a drop on the year on year. So that will be a pretty solid day on on Thursday. So moving on to Friday. We have a couple things coming out on Friday, not too much though. We have the CPI coming out of China. We also have the BOE Governor Bailey speaking as well. And we also have on Saturday, we have, sorry, I've just moved over to next week. So we also have the prelim UAM consumer sentiment index coming out as well. Now with China, I think there will be a bit of interest in this one, as just to see how the economy is tracking. There's been a lot of focus on how China's economy is failing to recover after COVID, and just some of the policies they put forward in terms of the real estate market and the tech market. The real estate market, as we all know, really fell away and has had a lot of issues there. A really high percentage of everyday people's wealth is tied up in real estate, and that's why it's rather important. But moving back to the CPI, it's really just going to show us how things are tracking in China, if the economy is picking up in speed, and we'll be looking at that one with a bit of interest as well. So other than that, those coming out late in the week, we really just be looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday really being the pick of the bunch, with that US CPI data coming out, and US unemployment claims, and also the GDP coming out from the UK. So they're looking for a much better figure there at 0.2% after the minus 0.5% seen last. So that's really some of the key data that's coming out this week. So as always, if you're trading this data, please manage your risk, as it can create unexpected volatility depending on what's released. And we will leave it there. We wish you all the best for your week, all the best for your trading this week, and thank you very much for your time. All the best, and bye for now.